Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Such a euphoric move since yesterday, and during yesterday's trading session we got a dramatic reversal from the recent lows, and as we were expecting this kind of a dramatic reversal, and that reversal has led us to a huge up move, probably 300 odd points in terms of Nifty and about 600 points in terms of Bank Nifty since 130 yesterday. So it's a very euphoric kind of overwhelming move, but we were prepared and ready to grab it. Let us go to message, group message. Now, there was no message for today, but there is a message on yesterday. That's what is important. So Thursday message is important, 25th of May 2023, right? So this Thursday message, this message says something like Nifty range may be 18,200 to 18,400. Bank Nifty range can be 43,500 to 44,100. Expiry day support resistance zone around 18,293 to 18,325 for Nifty, and Bank Nifty it is 43,740 to 43,850. Now these are the midday support resistance zone. Short trade in HDFC Bank for a target of 1600. This target got completed yesterday. We had booked the trade, and most importantly, I am saying Nifty 18,200 and Bank Nifty 43,500 levels may act as a support zone, and we may get a bounce. So for your bearish trades, one may consider keeping a TSL around these levels. This was yesterday morning's message before the market opened 825, and from these levels the market has shown us a very tremendous kind of an up move, right? Exactly at around 130 the market showed us reversal, and then it has given a very euphoric kind of a move. Now after this euphoric move, how do we look at it? From a low of 18,200 to current level of 18,500 high, which is where we reached today. So it's a 300 point flat move in Nifty, and in case of Bank Nifty it was from 43,400 to 44,000. That's a 600 point straight up move. Okay, so whenever we are looking at these moves, let's quickly go to see how the individual move is happening. So let's go to Nifty chart first. In our midweek analysis, we had spoken about this level of 18,250 as an important pivot level in between, and once this level is reached, there was a quick reversal from this zone, and once this was breached, and then the next target was around 18,150, but this 18,150 remains super protected. Price never ventured into that zone, and now it has gone to 18,500 odd level. Guys, understand the structure for Nifty as this point in time. The levels of 18,400 odd level or 18,500, this zone is going to be a crucial zone. Now this is where it can very quickly slip 300 points below, and then that is where I think a crucial support resistance zone comes into picture, because at this point in time, even though we are trading at 18,500 odd level, we are just tad below our previous high level. So this 18,500, it needs to be conquered immediately, and prices should sustain above that for the bulls to make a comeback and reach to a greater levels. See, price has reached to 18,500 odd level, but it will be difficult for them to sustain at these levels and also take it to a higher level. So that part is going to be crucial. I think in coming week we must get a clarity about it. At this point in time, I am not of an opinion to say that a new high is not possible, or there has to be a bearish move, or there has to be a bullish move. Let us keep that bias to a side at this point in time, and let us try and understand what can be the potential target if this move is sustaining, and what can be the potential target. So to calculate, to arrive at a target, we just need a low, and from that low we need a higher high. So the first target of 18,517 is already done. Second target as per Fibonacci can be 18,641. That for this target to be reached, 18,641, this target to get reached, price must sustain above 18,500. This is going to be the first challenge. So I'm going to change this zone, and I'm going to change this zone to 18,500 to 18,300. 18,300. Okay, so this is how I look at it. This is going to be our new range for this particular week. Market should sustain above this zone, and then if it sustains above this zone, then we will comfortably reach to 18,600, which was our previous year's high. And if we break above this level, then 18,641 is going to be our next target for the coming week. If at all we slip below this level, this 18,300 odd level should provide a support. But if we break below this 18,300, then mind you, this low will not be able to protect it, and we should slip below much quicker. So this is going to be our action zone. Consider the trades on a day-to-day basis only. Will be much simpler, wiser strategy. On a Bank Nifty front, if you see, during the midweek analysis, I had given this level of 43,445. So market made a low dot at this level, and after completing this target, it has again bounced back to 44,040. That's what the high is, probably 44,067 is the high for this particular today's day. Now this is a range bound action. So this range must be broken at some direction at some point in time. So we need to observe this part very carefully, and the coming week should give us clarity. For Bank Nifty, it is still a range bound market, so the decisive range breakout is important, and if it breaks above this, then in that case we might see a target of another 500 to 600 odd points. So the target, if you want to calculate for Fibonacci on the basis of Fibonacci for Bank Nifty, so then that target can be 44,300 odd level, and the second target can be 44,496. So this is 44,500 odd level. These are two of my targets for Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, as we have seen, we are talking about the next target, only this target, if we sustain above the current level of 18,500. This is how I'm looking at it. Stocks have delivered amazingly so far. We were long on Infosys. I have booked my positions today. I'll be traveling in the coming week, and I should be back by Wednesday ideally. So Wednesday we will try to do the midweek analysis video. But Infosys has given us a tremendous move. More importantly, we were looking at the Reliance as an opportunity to buy, and that opportunity came in yesterday. Yesterday we went long in Reliance Industries towards the end probably. The Reliance. So Reliance. This is my message. Yesterday I had posted around 312. Reliance 2400 call bought at 82. I had also entered into Reliance futures. So all those trades I was holding on to, all the positions. I had posted my positions in the morning at about 9:30 odd level. So these were the overnight positions. I had never added any positions during the day today, and eventually I had booked this Reliance trade somewhere around here. Reliance, which I had bought at 82, I had booked at 120 level. So the trade got completed at about 10 o'clock, and that is the period when Reliance had given a 2% move. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, Infosys and Reliance, these are the four trades that I have taken. HDFC Bank was one of the trades which I had recommended last week. Now this trade has given a target of 1600, and from the 1600 level it has bounced back, right? So it is bouncing. There is no position in HDFC Bank at this point in time, but this is how the trades are going so far. So all the positions are booked, and we are not carrying any positions for the overnight scenario. Okay, I think that's it. Most of the things are covered. If you want me to cover anything apart from whatever we have discussed today, do let me know in the comment box. I would gladly look at those charts, and we'll cover them in the midweek analysis. Thank you so much guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.